Close your eyes. Go on. Close your eyes and breathe and listen to this. Isn't that amazing? The sounds of the sea. I love to be down at the sea listening to the waves, but because of a mix of underlying agoraphobia and it being the winter and me not leaving the house, going to the beach has not been an option. So this is amazing. Now these come in 3 different sizes. This is the biggest one. I think the smallest one is like a £5. But this, for a neurodiverse child or adult, or if you use any kind of meditation techniques, this is incredible and worth every single penny. I'm going to tag this for you and listen to the waves crashing. Imagine them magical.